Very good. Play kayo, play. Ay. Magaling. Hindi pa tumarunong, first time niya eh.
Raven.
Laben.
Raven.
N?
Raven.
Ano mo kaya ito? Kensa, you ano, you would play with ano, Kuya David, no? To kick, oh. Show David. Oh, look at David, oh. Oh, Kuya, oh, galing, oh. Oh.
Daddy.
Okay. Kick.
Fly.
Stop the ball, stop the ball. Oh, very good. Oh, then kick. Stop, kick. Stop and kick. No, that's okay. Do not touch the ball. Stop and kick. Very good. Go. Stop. Kick. And kick. And kick. Very good. One more. Wow, go one more. Dito na, get the ball. Then kick. Stop muna bago kick. Exhibition ka lang. Oh, galing. Oh, galing ha. Magaling ha. Sige.
Pero
Yeah, sige, yeah, ganyan. Okay. Yan. Ano ka, ganun ah. Kick. Yan.
very good.
Very good. Oh, listen.
Atras.
Now look. No, huh?
My bad.
Oh, stop. Oh, you stamp the ball. Oh, like that. Oh, stamp. Stamp. Oh, very good. Good.
Is Kenzo doon? Kenzo, no! Is, kick.
Yo, ganun. Tama yan?
Up.
Okay, that's very good, very good.
Pero kailangan na po i-balance yung sipa niya. Stop ball. Very good. Into. No, stop ball.
Oh, kick mo na. Oh, stop. Oh, stop niya, oh. Oh, stop. Okay, so. Okay, stop. Very good.
Very good.
Okay, nice. Marunong sumipa naman si Kenzo eh. Hop, very good. Hop, stop. Ah. One.
Very good. Saan po ba siya sanay? Pass. Faster.
Very good, Kenzo.
Stop. Stop. Very good.
Ano tinuturuan mo? Mga ano?
Mga Pilipino. Mga Tagalog.
Hirap ka mag-English.
Opo, mayroon po. Kasi, pass.
Very good, Kenzo. Stamp and pass. Stamp and pass. Very good, Kenzo. Stamp and pass. Kenzo, you no. Yeah, okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, do it. Oh, show. Ganun lang, oh, yan, oh. And kick, walk lang, walk. Yan, like that. Oh. Very good, Kenzo.
Okay, so.
Oh. Come on. Very good.
Very
Oh.
good.